Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello, good evening, Muskan. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Very good. Let Aval also join.
Yes, sir.
So have you tried anything about this PDF animation sort of thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was able to like download it on my like I tried one animation and it was working on PC. I'm yet to find like on which all PDF readers it will work, but like I tried on Adobe and Ocular. Ocular is in Ubuntu, like Linux system. So in Ocular also it was working, and in Adobe also it was working. So and I was able to like write the code for that also. So
Very good.
yes.
Very good. So can you demonstrate that how to start and how difficult is it or something?
So like it was just like the one we saw yesterday, na? Like there are buttons and we have to like play it and everything. It is just similar only, and we can choose the animation by ourselves. What we have to do is just like take the animation video or like just have the frames for the animation. Okay, the individual frames, and then it is just a one line code like should we have autoplay, or should we have like it should run in loops, or should we have like controls or not, and what should be the frames per second of that animation, and everything we can give in that one line command only, and then it will run.
Very good. I have tried something. There are a lot of templates available readily. I have tried once, but I could not play that. That was, but I was also busy with some other things. So half-heartedly I tried, and so next time I will also try to do it. And
Okay, I'll share the PDF with you if you can try right now, like the one I did today. I can share with you. Just like,
you can share your screen. You can show me so that I can start immediately.
no, sir, it does not work on sharing screen on phone. Like,
Okay, okay.
I have shared the PDF with you. You can run it. Like there is this animation of a prism, a
Okay,
dispersion
okay.
from a
You
prism.
can send it to WhatsApp.
Yeah, I sent it on WhatsApp. You can check right now
Okay.
while Avel is joining.
And what about your MATLAB?
MATLAB, I have not tried yet. I was trying modeling in Excel only right now. So I was just working with the data. Like I'm not able to complete it. I was just working on the data and matrix multiplication right now.
Okay. So
I was like just searching like where to how to insert the sliders.
okay.
Yes.
Are you joining? So Muskan, that PDF, what I should do that with that?
So like you can try like there is this animation if you want to see like if it works or not. So in that PDF there is a similar animation to what we saw yesterday. It is just of a prism like doing dispersion. So you can open an Adobe in your PC and check if it is
No,
like.
that part yesterday we have seen that it works, but how to start in latex or only?
Yeah, so this PDF I made using latex code only. Should I share the code? Like in this PDF, the animation I made, that is using latex code only. So that's why I shared the animation. Like, should I share the code?
That code actually, Aval, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I did that modules. I had just have some doubts regarding.
Yeah, you can start. You can share your screen and you can discuss your doubts.
Right. Okay. So just give me a minute.
Yes.
I thought that for a layman, it would be nice if we like, explain a bit more in detail. If someone is new to modeling.
Yes, that will be doing something we have to do for that. But uh, I am thinking to add some link so that they can visit that when they access this soft copy. No, in soft copy they should able to do all those things. They can get some link where, but hard copy to some extent it will be there. I don't want to make a very lengthy things. Means okay. First you share your thought, then I will add on that my thought.
Okay.
That will be fine. Muskan, he is explaining that how to model what he has tried and
Yes, sir. Yes.
his experience.
Is it visible?
Yes,
Yeah.
very nice.
So like this part was quite clear that three activities are required for modeling: plotting points for creating object, matrix multiplication for movements, slider for animating. I just have one doubt here. Matrix multiplications can only encode linear transformations, right? If there are non-linear transformations, then can we animate those?
Whether it is linear, non-linear does not matter. And actually, I have written a paper. You learn only one matrix, one 4x4 matrix multiplication. With that, you can perform all the binary operations with numbers. What we do means 2 plus 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 4 divided by 2, 2, like that, all the binary operations. With that
Okay.
4x4 matrix, you can do that. You can do exponentiation and extending that, you can do everything with vectors, everything with what I should say, complex numbers, and then going to third level is quaternion. What is quaternion? Have you any idea?
Right, they are 4D numbers, four-dimensional numbers.
Yes.
It is
I
not.
don't have much knowledge about it, but I just have like
It is not
rudimentary.
four-dimensional, but it is having 4 elements. Four
Right,
elements.
they're like complex numbers, but in higher dimensions.
Yes. Oh, this 3D. It is a complex number in 3D. People get confused that it may be 4D, but it is not 4D.
Okay.
It is having 4 elements. That is
Okay.
there, but it is 3D. So all these things you can do with that 4x4 matrix multiplication. One means what I am again telling it that there are binary operations, no? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All these things you can do with single operation, one matrix multiplication.
Okay.
Only thing your this matrix elements, that you should put 0, or when you are doing 2 by 2, then other elements will be 0, 0, 0, 0, and accordingly to you can do that. Now
Okay.
you can ask, what is the requirement for that?
Right.
Isn't it? Muskan,
Right.
you got my point?
Yes, sir,
There
yes.
is very crucial observation and crucial means important thing once you know the benefit of it. Muskan, are you there?
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Have you got my point? What I am explained.
Yes, sir.
So only one operation you can get addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and all those things. So if you can, if you learn that thing, so you can do binary operation with scalars, binary operation with vectors, which is having 2 by 2 elements. You can do what is having 3 elements, and when you learn this properly, then you can apply it in 5 by 5, 6 by 6, or 7 by 7, and go on all these things. But all these 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6 will be there. But that operation wise, you are doing one matrix multiplication. So when you need not, I should not say learn, you learn one operation, and this makes your calculation simple, because only one operation you do all the required calculations with one matrix multiplication. So
Sir,
how to do that? We will be doing that, but matrix multiplication is the most important thing to learn. Now you
so
come back to your question again.
right. So I was asking that matrix multiplication is used because we just need to either uh, like rotate the vectors or translate them, and that both of them can be achieved by matrix multiplication.
Any that I am telling, with that operation you can rotate, you can scale, you can
Translate.
reflect everything
Hmm.
for
Okay.
all transformation.
Right.
So
The
that is the
matrix will be
beauty.
different, right? But the
Huh?
matrix will be different every time.
Matrix will be different, but it is 4 by 4 matrix multiplication. Elements will be different. Okay, go ahead.
This part I was able to do plotting in Excel, so I'll just do it once again.
This is the best way to just practice here.
So
You do
insert,
a point,
then
plot a
scatter
point.
and scatter weight. Right, this was the and right click weight. Select it and these names. So I'll just here what should I enter? Like if I just want to plot a point, I'll just enter anything like 1. Right. Okay. So
Okay, make it okay.
here's
So
the
you
point.
got a point of 1 and 1. Okay.
Hmm.
We will not use that method. We will suppose you want to suppose A1 you marked as a X. In A1 you give the title as X, and B1
Right,
as
so
Y. X,
how do
simple
I
X. No, nothing. X, you write a X there.
right.
And then B1, Y.
Why?
And then A2, you put a value of X. Suppose it is 3, and
So I just write 3.
simple. And then B is write 5. Suppose 3 and 5 you want to plot. So your X is 3, Y is 5, and you want to plot that. So you go to your yes, chart, right click on it and select data and add.
Edit or
Add. Now that a new point, you name it something new or something, anything. It is not required, not compulsory.
okay.
And then click on the arrow right side. Yes, and then select the A2 cell.
I write
Go and
A2
click.
or
No. You go and it will automatically then click enter. Then similarly you go
similarly.
to yes.
There is an error. It says.
So because you something was there, delete it
Okay,
and
I get it.
yes.
Okay.
So now you see your point is also there. Okay, made it okay.
Okay, 3,5.
Now, how you will know that what is the coordinate of those points? So for that you have to level it. So for leveling, you right click on it, right click, select and right click and add level. Add level, yes. Click on that.
Data label.
Add levels. And you
Uh,
see that Y value automatically come.
hmm.
Now select Y. Select
Uh,
Y. Just click on that. No. 5. Select 5. Yes. Right
okay.
click on it.
No, it disappeared.
I think you repeat it.
Data labels.
Select 5, right click on it, and then format data label, last option.
Okay.
And this something has appeared here, right side.
And I can't see it because of the zoom. Wait.
You can click on
Right.
X and series name,
X value.
X value and series name, and placement also. You can where you want to place. Sometime you may want to place it in right or left or somewhere. This is bottom. This
Bottom.
level position.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So now enter. You see that it is below, or if you want to above, sometime it requires because you want to take it some position. So now click on it and it will close. There are some close
I just
button is
click
there.
cross.
Yes, close. So now you know that this is your new and 3.5. So like that. Now for this is a starting point. Any object you want to model, it is the start with a point, and then this object is made of collection of points. So if you add this second point, suppose you write here below 3, you write 7. Below
I
3,
add.
A3. No, not there.
Acha.
Not there in set.
Okay.
Yes. 7, and then you write it 2 or -5, something.
Okay.
Any. Now what you do, you select that 3 and 5, that also will do. You just drag these corner points, that small in cell, in this cell highlighted cells, no, that is small box. Yes.
Right.
You just take it down, drag it, not 2 and 5. So now 3 and 7, you see there's 3 and 7 and these things. And you right click again, I think it should have come automatically. You right click again on line, on lines. Yes, select the line first, and then same thing, add data level and all these things what you have done.
Data level.
And then select. Both lines are not selected. Both.
Wait. So how do I do that?
Actually, now both is selected. You see, right click and yes. Now select X, Y values. So all these things will be there. So now any object you want to create, you just go on adding that points and nothing else. Very simple.
Right.
And then what is to be done? You require to add multiply, isn't it? Matrix multiplication. So this is construction. The more the points, all the points you can put it for construction. Anything you can create a box, you can create a triangle, anything you can add few points and you can create an object, regular or irregular, any object you can create, you do that. Below 3 and 7, you write some values and then yes. then randomly you put it some values. So you will get a distorted object sort of thing. Yeah. Now similar way you click on this line.
Okay.
Yes. Click on this line and these two will be highlighted. So you drag like that to select all the points there.
Solely coming for one column.
Let it come. Yeah, there are two other yes. So this is your
Okay.
object, you think, and you
Okay.
make what one thing last point, 9th point, you make it 3 and 5, so that it will complete. Means 3 and 5. First point.
I'll just add one more point.
You can do that 3 and 5. Yes.
Okay.
So this is a closed object. Okay. Now you have to multiply it. You have to learn how to matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication, first thing is required. This is a 10 by or 9 by 2 matrix. So your matrix should be 2 by anything.
No, it's a
should be there.
9 by 2, right? So it'd be something by 9.
No.
This is the
this
object.
Column of first row should be equal to the row of second.
No, so this should be the second matrix, right?
Yeah, second matrix. So after 5 and minus 5, you put some.
So it has 9 rows. It has 9 rows.
Rows doesn't matter. Column matters.
No, this thing will be the second matrix or the first matrix. I think it should be the second, right?
This is first matrix.
Okay,
Not
this is
X
the
and
first.
Y is the matrix. X and Y is the matrix, not X and Y. You have to write in C. You see C2. You write 2 2. Write 2 here, or next you write 3 below 2. You write any value 2 by 2 and here 2 by 4. Yes. So now you can multiply this 9 by 2 into 2 by 2. Don't
Right,
do
so
that.
Don't do this.
Your output cell should be equal to the input cell. So input cell is 9 by 2. So output cell should be 9 by 2. So what you have to do, you have to select 9 by 2 blank cells.
Okay.
So how you will do? Do and do.
Something else happened.
Yeah. Best is that you do it in E3 column, E3 and F3. Yes. You have to put your cursor there and then you have to click and drag like that. Yes. But you do same thing in from E3. That will give a good representation.
And this is 9 by 2.
That you also do, but if it is parallel, then you can, because you will do later long. Yeah, here you will select 9 by 2. Press yes, is equal to sign, is equal to, now put is equal to MMULT, then first array comma second array. Yes, first array is all 5 by 2 cells. Yes, comma 2 by 2.
C2.
No, you don't type it. You select it. Don't type it. Type. Then you will not enjoy the beauty of this. And then press Control Shift and Enter simultaneously.
Now I press it.
Control Shift and Enter. Yes. So now your matrix multiplication has been done. Now you see, manually doing all these things is problematic. You never can do that. And sometimes if you go in higher mathematics, now already you are doing, but you are trying to do all these things manually. But what is the limitation of manual calculation, you realize now. Now you plot this output values here.
Okay.
Right click on it.
Add.
and select this E3 to E10. Yes, yes.
Oh wait.
You drag it, left click and drag. Yes.
Okay. Enter.
Enter. Yes. Then do it for Y values. Now you see, okay, make it okay. Now you see how what is the result of your, no, don't do anything. This is the output of your first array with 2 by 2 matrix, and you got this result. Now you do whatever you want. You make first element of means C2 is as 1 and D3 as 1, and rest you make it 0.
I didn't create matrix.
1, it is 1, and 0.
That won't
make
change
it
anything.
1.
No? That won't change anything. It has to be the same, I think.
Yes, it will be same. Enter. Yes. So it is overlapping, means nothing has changed. It is multiplication identity matrix.
Identity matrix.
Then these 4 elements, your this left side, the object can be 1000 points. But for transforming those 1000 point or 1 million points, you require only this 2 by 2 matrix.
Hmm.
That is a unique observation that we never learned in college or school. So your building, when you develop a building can have 1000 corner points, and adding those corner points, you get that building. But for that you require only, if you want to transform those things, only you require a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so this
So
is
one thing. Why are we multiplying on the right? Why are we not multiplying on the left? I don't get that.
that means pre multiplication, post multiplication you are talking, no?
Yes. Because
Pre-multi-
usually whenever we do linear algebra, we have the vector on the right hand side and we have the matrix on the left hand side.
that are the all odd way of doing that, because there we do manually, no, we never realize the problem. What is the problem? If you have 2 by 2 matrix first, and then your object is, then this object should be in rows.
Now it will
And
be 2 by 9.
You got my point. So that putting data in rows is more difficult than putting it in columns.
Okay, so this is for just visual convenience. So that we say all the x values are here, all the y values are here.
Result will be same.
That's just for convenience. Okay, right.
Yeah. But in book, when actually this, when
So
I
that is
started
just the
doing
transpose of this. The transpose of this
yes,
whole
it
equation.
is a transpose. Yes. Mechanically, when we learn all those things, and it was great hurdle, because initially when I started practicing all these things, doing in computer, I faced lot of problem on that. And then I think that post multiplication gives me more easier to handle. I
Okay.
can have a number of points, any number of points, and matrix is this. And this is the thing. Now, what is the second point? These two.
This here or
Now we have to add something. I told
Slider.
you that matrix multiplication. What is that you have learned now? It is simply, you can go on suppose 5, 9, 2, 8, 7, like that. 5 multiplication. So we are multiplying 5 numbers with so that also you can go on doing this here. You can have 5, 6, 7, 8 matrices to multiply. Only thing, your that rule, that column, number of columns should be.
That's fine.
So that is that rule you maintain. So, and next was the addition
Slider.
of slider. So now you see we will add a slider.
So I was able to do that. I don't think this is that hard. Developer.
You do that some
Right,
point.
just this developer main menu is not available for everyone, so you have to manually make it available. So I had to do that. I
Yes,
think
yes.
we should add that because I
Mm,
had to search on Google for this.
yeah.
Insert
Good.
controls. Yeah,
No, not
well,
one. That one. Not that one.
this one.
Yes. This one. Yes. Then you have.
Then I have to. What do I have to do? Drag the plus sign towards the right. That is to click a cell.
Click a cell and then drag. Not cell like anywhere you can flag. But click and leave, then it will be. Yes, you can do that.
Okay.
Yes, you can extend that also a little bit more. No, not bottom side, right side. Now right click on it. Format control last one. And now you see the current value is 0. The extreme, it is in extreme slider
Maximum
value.
value is 0. Maximum
Uh,
value is 100.
100. Here you
Incremental
can
is 1.
put, I think, 30,000. And
Maximum.
always it will be only positive integers. So
Okay, it cannot
you
be
can,
0.1 or point.
no. So
Okay.
that you can do.
No,
You
that
have
will
to
be possible by division and everything.
you have to
That's fine.
do something trick.
Hmm.
And then last column, this two is not that much important, and I don't know much about that also, not required also. And cell click, last arrow. Yes. Then you put a cell. You put
I
suppose
select this.
no, not don't select that. We'll you C1 you select C1.
C1. C1.
Yes. Enter. Okay. Now you click on the slider. Yes. So you see when you put is the slider value goes on changing. So now what you can do, you can C2, you can go to C2 is equal to, put a is equal to sign and then select that C1. Cell, don't write that. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do that whenever you
Like we
drag
can tweak.
the
We can
yeah,
tweak the matrix. And
so
we can
that
see how
cell
the
will change
model
and
changes.
yes, you can see that.
Yes.
So this is the modeling. Simplest thing is that you learn these three things and you can model. Now, this I want to tell everyone, and everyone should learn.
This is quite nice. The way it is thought.
Yeah.
I just think that we should just expand this a little bit more so that like now like you're telling me
Now, what I should say, हम लोग हिंदी में
hmm,
बोलते हैं ना कि दुनिया
hmm,
मुट्ठी में है.
hmm.
नाउ दुनिया मुट्ठी में आ गया. सो तुम अभी तुम्हारा सोचते रहो, अभी तुम सोचो और इम्प्लीमेंट करते जाओ. Whatever you can think, you can do it. I tell you everything. What you can think, you can do it. And that's why I am being a mechanical engineer. I can do so many things in different subject, even fractal to fractal geometry to group theory to any other things. So these are the things what is required. Now for an engineer, this also and Muskan, I think you have to go. I think
Yes, sir.
whenever you feel you can go. There is no issue for that.
Yes, sir. So I'll have to go. So what is the like coming like this thing? Like I learned the slider thing. apart from that.
Now,
We'll also use in
now,
MATLAB, right? I've downloaded MATLAB and I've tried it out once.
okay. So,
So I'll try on MATLAB and I'll let you know tomorrow, sir,
okay,
or day after, whatever.
okay, okay,
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
okay. So, well, now, most important thing in that actually, once you know these three tools, then next thing comes to understand what actually engineers, mathematicians, scientists, doctors do,
Hmm.
and why they are so much respected compared to other in the society. What is the specialty? There are a lot of professions, lot of people earning, even some people earning more than what a scientist or engineer are earning. So why we get so much importance and respect from others being engineer, mathematician, scientist? What is your view?
Uh,
We should have clarity on all those points, because it is in isolation. If I know many things, it will not make sense. You have to live in a society and you have to learn the implication of all these things. Why
yes.
are you respected?
So,
What is your opinion here?
what my opinion is that these people, like all the scientists and engineers, these are the pioneers of society. So, whatever the advances that we do, the major advances that take place in society, these are facilitated by the scientists and engineers. And like you have rightly said, there are also other professions that also earn more than these people, like, for example, accounting or banking or anything. But these are the more, what can you say, maintenance side of things. Like these are not the development and the pioneering side of things. These are the more maintenance side of things. So I think, and for the pioneering side of thing, you need creativity, and you also need to think a bit differently than what normally people think. So you have to think differently. You have to be creative, and you have to develop new stuff which betters the society. Because inventions can also be destructive, but you have to take all of these things into consideration. And yeah, like after giving it a thought, and you develop something which helps society become better, and that's why I think these people are more respected.
Okay. So, continuing with your thought, I'm telling, I feel that a artist
Hmm.
is more creative than an engineer and scientist.
Right. So
Then,
like the only difference
then,
is that of implementation. The artist creates art, and I agree that arts requires a bit more, what can you say, creativity than maybe science. That but that's arguable. I'd say science is also as creative as art can be. So, but also if you say that artists are more creative, but art's application to society is less than, say, engineering's applications to society.
okay, good. But even though these are the what I should say, uh, intuitive or ideas, means you are thinking that we are doing something extra, but what is that extra means? Where you are being different from the artist, or for the same sake that manager, which IIS passing manager or IAS officer. So where you the subtle difference, you have to be categorically tell that, not that superfluous, qualitatively, or something intuitively. Some activity which is you are doing, which requires very specific uh, uh, knowledge, and which others cannot do. Some activity.
And so
So
you're asking me to tell an activity which these
yes,
people do.
yes. So that
Okay.
we can tell that we can do that, you cannot do that.
Okay. So I think in one term, what these people do that the others don't do is that they identify problems which exist around them,
They are also identifying problem. You
right?
see this.
And then after identification, they think of like they rigorously think of methods to solve these problems, and after that they implement these problems to create a solution. Uh, I'm not sure if I'm explaining it the right way, but because the way I'm
Actually,
explaining it,
like if you think of some leader,
right?
our prime minister, you think of our prime minister. So many ideas he is giving,
Hmm,
implementing, and really it is affecting our life.
hmm,
Okay, so he is not engineer.
hmm.
So how difference he is from a scientist or engineers, and he is also doing same thing what you have told, is not it? He is also
No,
solving
no.
problem.
But these people use new ideas and new techniques, right? They
Some many of his ideas are new, extremely new.
not new ideas, but like wait,
Why
these
I am focusing on this point, you got it now. I want to make it 100% clear, and means should be taken by all.
okay.
Still, we are in something telling qualitatively or relatively way.
Hmm.
We should demarcate that activities. Yes, this thing I can do, and this thing they cannot do. Creativity,
Okay.
everybody is creativity. Everybody is creative.
Like
This is the main issue that society actually, what I feel, we get to some extent divided on those line, and that division line,
do you mean a mathematical way of thinking or maybe something?
mathematical thinking is there. But what I mean to say, these people can think of dynamic situations, changes,
Hmm. Okay, I
and
get your point. Yes,
handling the changes.
I get your point. I get your point.
Yes. So others can do many things in a static world.
Hmm. Okay, yes, I
Even a
hadn't thought about that.
technician, yeah, technician or carpenter, he do lot of thing creativity, the models, but his world is all a static world. He can create a statue, something which I cannot do that.
Hmm.
But when it comes to the dynamism, then
Hmm.
uh, engineers, doctors, scientists, mathematicians, they
Right,
can handle, they can see the changes, what will happen next, and what will be the its effect, and all those things, and
right.
they are being respected for that.
So I guess in a way you can say that these people can foresee the future to a greater extent than other people can.
Dynamic things, dynamism.
So they can see changes that may occur better than other people.
Yes, and take advantage of this in our benefit, in our favor.
Right.
So this is the main subtle difference from activity wise. I am saying.
Hmm.
So doctor can see that this temperature is rising. So this temperature, the reason of this temperature rise, and all
Hmm.
those things, and how to control all those things, everything. This also to some extent dynamic conditions.
I just want to ask one thing. Like this also holds true for certain kinds of businessmen.
Yes,
Like
100%, 100%. Those are dealing with dynamical changes of market and all those
right,
things.
that's what I mean.
But
Like
but we are society, for I am saying, we are um, uh, dealing with the world with physical changes.
Okay.
Physical
Yes.
changes
Yes.
means
Yes.
hell is a comet. It will come 75 years after it will come again. So these things means is requires a special skill to
So you mean physical changes, not
yes,
any kind of change.
not any kind of changes.
Exactly.
So and you can think of whether it is a civil engineer, mechanical engineer, chemical engineer, core engineering. They are all doing that. Even civil engineers had to do. Apparently, it will not appear what dynamic situations they are handling, but all the dynamic situations they are handling, you can say they are handling much more dynamic situations than a mechanical engineer.
Okay.
Can you
Like I
give
like
some example?
just intuitively thinking, I would say that mechanical
Hmm.
engineers handle the most, but you just said civil engineers handle most. So like
Yeah.
like मतलब ऐसा लगता है ना कि मतलब maybe mechanical engineers handle the most moving parts and things.
Yes. But what I'm saying that civil engineers doing more dynamic things, but they have to handle more dynamic things.
Civil engineering, like examples I can think of is maybe like when you make tall buildings due to the high winds, the building sort of moves and something like that. So you have to make resistance to that also. You have to make earthquake prone buildings. But apart from that, I'm not able to think.
Every beam, every column, every pillar they design, they have to take care of this bending stress. They
Mhm.
have to calculate that accordingly. They have to put the concrete, iron, and all the ingredients. Otherwise, it will slack like that, bend like that. So, how to keep it straight? So, this is the dynamic condition. Many bridge fails because they could not handle the dynamism.
Mhm.
Their dynamism is make it non-dynamic.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes, their engineering is they want not to be dynamic. Mechanical engineers they want it to be
To
dynamic,
be dynamic.
and their objective is not to be dynamic. So now my
Right.
question is that related to that. Now, to some extent, we are clear about that. What is the specialty of engineers, scientists, mathematicians, technocrats, doctors, because they are dealing with physical dynamism
Yes.
and thousands of dynamism around us. Can you quantify how many types of dynamism exist in this universe?
Physical movements. How many types of
Yeah,
physical
you
movements
think of
there
that
exist?
5 minutes. I will take a short break,
Okay.
5 minutes,
So there's
and then we'll
one
get
answer that comes directly to my mind is will that
what
be
comes
related to
naturally. What comes naturally?
like degrees of freedom of movement? That comes naturally to me, but I'm not sure if that's the answer you're looking for.
Actually, what types of movements means I want to say this rotation, this
Translation.
translation, wave, frequency, sort of thing like that movements. This freedom of movement is the one type of movement, how many angles it can move.
Hmm.
So it is one type of movement. And it is freedom means it can move in all direction or it will cannot move in more than one direction. But this is not it. In itself is a movement. I'm
Hmm.
talking about movements. How
How
many
many
types of
types of
movements
movements
are
are there?
there around us? I'll
Uh,
come back in 2 minutes. Okay.
right.
Yes, now my
Right.
actually my laptop was getting discharged.
Okay.
I have to put the charger. So any
So, like, as far as I'm able to think, if you just talk about physical motions, just what we study in physics, so the only ones I can think of are translation and rotation. Like, every motion is like just composed of translation and rotation. Vibrations are just, if you talk about, like, say, the harmonic oscillator, that's just
you
translating.
think of it is of two types.
Yes.
Okay, good. One way it is okay, but in general, six movements are there, distinct type of movements. Actually, with one reflection, you can achieve all the movements. Reflection,
Like, what six are you talking about?
reflection, reflection means what that I am standing here, my shadow reflects there. So it is a movement also, no reflection.
No,
If
I
I
don't understand.
uh, any
Like,
any any object you put before a mirror, it
hmm,
gets reflected to some.
right. It is literally inverted.
So what I should say that it is reflected means there is an
Hmm.
image. So
Hmm.
my image was there and that image has been changed to somewhere.
Hmm.
So this is also a movement, no? It has moved. My
But
image.
it's not a physical movement, no? Of a particle, say.
So if you think of yourself, then you will think that it is not a movement, but here when we move a point here like that, so a point and you put a line and you apply that reflection. So point will go from this position to that position, a particular uh, maintaining a particular rule. It will not go haphazardly. So what I should say, it has a point has moved or not.
I mean, it like
Reflection, it has moved.
depends on how you think about it, doesn't it?
Anyhow, but it is a movement, is not it?
Uh, I'm not sure if I understand what exactly movement means in your
Okay,
context.
okay, no issue. So there are six type of movements where what through which an object changes. Okay, so this six is one. First one is that size increases decreases.
Okay.
What we should say,
Expansion,
scaling or
scaling,
uh,
multiplying by a scalar. Like,
correct, yeah, something like that. Second type is a rotate, object rotate.
right.
So rotation.
Hmm.
So third transformation is that two object collides. So it
Two
gets,
objects collide. Okay.
so to some extent we tell it shearing. It has
Hmm.
sheared or something,
Deformation.
formation, some. Then other thing, what I can say, reflection I told you.
Hmm.
Then translation. One place we move to other place, translation. And lastly, projection. A object is there.
Take its
All the
projection
things.
on a plane or something.
We live in 3D and we project it in 2D. So
Shadows are an example.
shadow or cinema, even I'm seeing you in Zoom, you are in
That is also.
yeah. So it is also a transformation. So this six is main transformation. If you learn how to make this six transformation, all the mathematics you can solve easily. And what we do in mathematics, we do that.
Okay.
Whether it goes to for trigonometry, geometry, any other thing, vectors, everything.
Hmm.
We do that without telling that we are doing that.
Hmm.
Even when we do dy dx, that also we are trying to do
Scale.
some time of transformation. How it is slope means it was moving like that.
Okay,
So
but
how
slope
it
of a
is
graph,
changing?
do you mean?
Yeah, slope is changing like that. So some movements are there. So everything we are trying to do, and all these things we are doing can have a geometrical interpretation. Geometrical interpretation and geometrical interpretation when we have starting from numbers. So yesterday I wrote you that I don't know whether how seriously are you taking my WhatsApp.
I'm taking like I checked everything.
And if you can keep a note, I think a small diary sort of thing separately for this, that will be helpful because
But
if
I have
you
a personal WhatsApp group in which I forward everything of like importance.
okay,
I have
okay.
that.
So how to set it? You tell me also. I will do that.
Acha, nahin, that just you make a group with someone else and then you ask that person to leave. Then you have a group all by yourself.
Okay, okay.
I just have done that. So I keep a note of everything there.
Mhm.
We can also make maybe some sort of like notifications group in for us, and in which all the things that should be like immediately are of like importance we can just put there.
So you can do start that. I don't know how to do that.
Okay, I'll do.
You do later. No issue.
Okay.
Let us have discussion now. So that number system I told you earlier. That number system. How many numbers I put there? You remember?
Uh, no,
I
I don't
started
think
with
so.
natural number,
Hmm.
then whole number, then integers, I think, then
Rational,
rational numbers, then irrational
irrational
numbers,
numbers, then
real numbers,
real, and
then
then there were, I think,
complex, and then
right,
quaternion.
right, exactly. Quaternions. Ah, right. Quaternions were there. I'm not. Right.
Yeah. So these all these numbers can have one slide where I can put these numbers in geometrical
Okay.
uh,
Hmm.
uh, meaning,
Hmm.
geometrical meaning of all numbers. Suppose there's natural numbers. Natural number starts with 1, and then second number is 2,
Hmm.
and there is a gap.
Hmm.
Gap does not matter how much gap, but those are discrete.
Hmm.
And then say next number comes whole numbers.
Hmm.
So natural numbers plus 0 whole number.
Hmm.
Whole number, and then
Integers.
integers, negative numbers. So that will be the integers. And then fractional rational numbers, they 1 by 2 means then these numbers are not discrete. Up to
Hmm.
integers, it is discrete numbers. Then it is, but it is not at geometrically, still it is not continuous. It is discrete, rational numbers.
Hmm.
Irrational numbers, it is not having a place, but it is having values.
Right.
So very these things. This is also there can be two numbers, and in between there can be hundreds of irrational numbers, but cannot be placed. So some means when we explain this means one slide should be in numbers, and all these numbers will be plotted with geometric meaning. Means in the sense this discrete 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next also whole number also discrete. Then in the rational numbers semi-discrete, integers discrete, and then irrational. It is also not fully continuous. When we talk about all those things together, then it is continuous, real numbers.
Hmm.
So here there is no gap then in number line.
Hmm.
And then we think of same ideas, we extend. This is actually I tell 1D in numbers, and 70% of our daily life, what I should say, is covered way up to this. So in society, people never feel that they miss something, but by not knowing mathematics, they feel I am comfortable. What everything I can manage without mathematics. So why? What is the why I go to means break my head on learning mathematics. So that is their, but they don't. Their argument is true because majority of our daily work can be solved by one-dimensional mathematics. What is limited to real numbers, and all the binary operation falls in, it is in real number, and the result is in also real
Real
number.
numbers.
Okay, so these are the things. But here, uh, uh, if we go for a two-dimensional world, then this number system fails, because I am moving a suppose northeast direction 5 meter. So 5 meters I can, in number line I can put 5 meters, but in diagonally if I am moving that 5 meters means how I can put that. So there we require more than one numbers, and that we can do with
Complex
complex
numbers.
numbers. Complex number. So when it comes to two-dimensional world, we can manage that with complex numbers, and then vectors also help in that. Complex number exclusively for 2D world. We cannot extend that 3D, and then if we want to extend that 3D, then we use
Quaternions.
quaternion. We can do that. It will have four elements as 2D. Means complex number. Complex number 2D, two elements means first
One and
element.
iota.
In first element is in number line. Second element is in y
Imaginary
direction.
axis.
Yeah, so imaginary axis. So whenever a point moves and fall back in real line, that complex number can become real number. And similarly, when a real number go from number line to up or down somewhere, then it will become a complex number. So we can easily handle this entire thing, real number as well as 2D numbers. And same thing happens to quaternion. Quaternion means a real number line will be there. So every point can fall in real number, or every point can generate from real number. So X, Y, Z points, they can be with real number part and that three elements part.
IJK.
And, so that when you operate on that binary operations, so they may sometimes fall back entirely to real
Real
number,
numbers.
pure real number, or they can go for pure quaternion. Pure quaternion means their real part will be
Zero.
0. So this is the number system. So this can be a poster, and from this poster I can do the limitation of binary operation of what is that in natural numbers, binary operation of that numbers, of what are the limitation, and these things in the slide. So that will be the thing. And I want that this number line, we should make it within 1-2 days actually, number line posters, as I told, because this will be the starting point of any subject, and then we will move. If we finish that, immediately we can go to geometry. And geometry, once I talk about basic geometries, line, length, and angle, and all those things, immediately we can switch to algebra, and we can go on building on that. Base once ready, then we can do. So now,
what do you mean by limitations of binary operator? Do you mean like it is not closed and that maybe it is not closed, subtraction is not closed in the natural numbers, that?
Yes, yes. Means many operation is not actually when we learn in childhood, no? we don't never realize that issues with when they in book it is there in when real number, a natural number, integers, what are the limitation of binary operation on that, it is there, but that time we never realized that because we never required to uh, feel the gravity of all those things. But those who want to go in higher level, no, they should relearn all those things. That whatever you learned at class 1, 2, 3, 4 is not sufficient. You have to relook on those points, and that point should appear in this binary operation thing. It will not go much details, but that point should come. And as we have seen that poster of modeling, that point was there, so you could start.
Okay.
You may require my help, but first thing you know that it can be done. It is there. So when you know that it is there, you can explore yourself. Even means if you know that it is really meaningful, then by this time I have given you this poster. No, you have tried 10 times. You would have tried, but that time you was not knowing the gravity of that. You have not felt, or you are engaged with other things. So once you know that this can be done, you will definitely try. Those are trying, for them it will be very helpful. Otherwise, we don't know that it can be done. This is, and and you know that what is the problem, that new subjects, no, all new subjects. Do you know bivector, trivector? Have you heard about that?
Which vectors?
Geometric algebra,
Can you repeat which vectors?
bivector, bivector,
No.
trivector.
No, I don't know about that.
So that is idea is vector into vector, means volume into volume into length. What will be that?
Okay.
Length into length area. Okay. Length into volume. 3 length into volume. Then volume into volume, what will be that? So,
Six-dimensional thing.
so many words are there actually. But the beauty is that all those subjects is there, but there is no tool available like this handy tools what I have done. So whatever subject, for me every subject is new because I am not mathematician. So all subject I start from scratch. So I start first. I fail to understand what this subject deal with. Then slowly I grasp it. Then I apply my techniques to model it, and then I model it. Then I understand what they are dealing. So then I can find out many of the faults even in good books which we follow in our universities. So why I can find the faults on that? Because when I model it, then in geometrically I can play with that, and I know this effect can never be achieved. But those have written, they never test it. They know they have started with some ideas. That idea was okay, and they have extended those ideas, and many times it's appear that it should be like that. But it should be, because they have not have any tool to test all those things. But I have a tool, so I do that, and when I write back to them, the majority, till date, I have got response from all the authors acknowledging that yes, there is a mistake. So that is the beauty of my way of teaching or these things. So coming back to our sixth transformation, no?
Yes.
This will be the, once we get help of that idea about how we will go for these posters. So next will come after modeling this six transformation. How to do six transformation, and once we finish that six transformation, then you can model any concept. Now you know this how to create a model, how to apply matrix multiplication. But when you learn this matrix multiplication, how helps in translation, rotation, next class I will discuss on that.
Okay. So for now, we need to make a poster on the number systems.
That is the means we have to finish it 1-2 days,
Okay.
because once we get there, then we have to get a line of action that I should go for physics, 11, 12 physics, or I should go for mathematics first, and then I should go for physics. Because the more we delay, then more slower will be the system. So we
Right.
have to take all these decisions first. And second thing, next class I will explain these 6 transformations, and next class I will also tell you about uh, MATLAB.
Okay.
MATLAB. Do you have some time so that I can tell about the introductory part of MATLAB?
Like I've learned a bit by myself. I can.
Okay.
It should open.
Yes, yes. Good.
I did that. I did that poster thing. This one.
Hmm.
I did this one.
Okay. Can you do this?
Yes, I'm able to do. So just the syntax is not familiar with me. So what does
This
this
one?
mean? It's just for one cycle of x, right? 0 to 2 pi. This is what that means.
Actually, this is this is creating a vector with 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 up to 2.
Up
You
to
do that
2
there?
pi. 2 pi.
Up to 2 pi, yes.
Okay, so
You do there in MATLAB. You don't do it. You new script. You do a new script. Yeah.
what was the
Colon,
syntax?
colon. I'll guide you. Colon 0.1, 0.1. Colon, then 2 into pi. Pi we need not give the value. Then y is equal to sine x, and then plot x and y. Enter. You can run at the top. It is a run option is there, no? At the top. Yeah, green button.
Do I need to save this?
You save it.
No, last time I did it, didn't require to save.
No, it has to be saved. First time you have to save it. You save
Yeah,
it, test one or something like that. Change folder. You see, this is already sin x. So it is having lot of parameters which you can add grid, you can add a axis, you can number of hundreds of things you can do with this.
Okay.
Very straightforward, simple. Everything is very simple here, but only thing slider is a little bit tricky. But you can also learn, and I can also explain you.
Okay.
But what I was working on this is that you can in that command window, you come to command window, close it. This is very straightforward. You have seen. You have to give xi values and plot it.
Right.
Command window, you type app designer.
I type.
No, not there. In command window, bottom, where you have written x, you click on that x, bottom. Yes, this is command window. Enter it first. First enter. Let it go. Now type app designer.
App designer.
No capital.
This.
Yes. So there will be provision for designing applications. This another window will open. Here you can see this is the example, general example, interactive tutorial. You can try at your own to learn how app designer works. And as a CS guy, you will do it very easy. You can drag a axis. It is telling left side, these are the components. So
I'll learn this.
yes,
This should not be a problem.
yeah, you can do that. And another thing, have you checked? Just click it and drag it. Yeah. Yes. Leave it.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Slider.
Very simple. Then it is telling this slider is at the bottom, middle. This is the one, two. Yes, yes. Yes, and drag on this. Okay. Now it is telling you change the name of this, replace the level. This. So here you can you are writing amplitude. You can write anything. Anything you can write. Hierarchy that it is interactive. It should give the third option what to do next. So here it is a callback, and you have to give some instruction on what to do when you drag this scroll bar. It is a slider here like that. So when you drag the slider, what is to be done? You go back and start again.
I close the app designer.
Not required. You just go for the new. It will be closed automatically. Designer, you click on designer. No, it is okay.
Where?
Designer.
Okay.
Here you click on new. Now select again. Yes. So you follow what is it is telling. It will give 9 steps you have to do. What my mathematics book is teaching mathematics in 21st century.
Yes.
21st century is this. You write amplitude so that it will yeah. Then you see what is telling. App designer has a design mode, so code view like that.
Browser right click.
Here right side, yes. Right click on it and then callbacks. Yes. Click on that.
Add value change function callback. This
will value change. Yes.
to partner activities also.
Now you have to type this last line here.
What I write app. Nothing happened.
And next put an enter something.
I just entered. Nothing happened. Okay, wait, there's a typo. Right.
Use app component.
Right, so I can do this by myself also.
It is not.
Right.
Then you click run.
Okay.
Name it. So this is your first app. Now drag the.
And this is the amplitude of sine wave.
Yes. So that is straightforward these things.
Right.
You make it 0.
I'll disappear.
Yes. So this way now you are computer programmer, so you can take advantage of it. You can create apps and share it and learn as much as possible. Last time I have tried with it Nishan, and within 1 month we could write and publish one book. You have seen, no? These 3 books I published. So
Yes, sir.
one of them is App Designer, and this App Designer book only myself and Nishan. In 1 month we can learn all those things and publish a book.
Right. So, sir, can you send the soft copies of the book?
Yes. Soft copy, I am not just sharing, but you can go to Google, no? I think you can review or something options is there. You explore that. You explore to get from internet if you can get it. Because once I give the soft copy and it goes out, nowadays you know that everything
Okay, right.
so,
That's
so
fine.
though I am not marketing all these things yet. I have not started marketing a campaign or all those things, but nowadays we avoid, because every book you can get a PDF on that. So whenever we get a soft copy, it will be circulated like anything. Also, I have heard, but you can as a reviewer you can get in Amazon.in Chanchaldas, you give names, all my books will be appearing there, and what options are there. There can be free review,
Okay.
free trial, everything is should be there. I don't know whether it is there or not. So in that way, you will learn also on that books. And but mostly, if I explain this, if I require to you learn this, you may require 5-6 days or 10 days. But if I explain it, you can learn in hours or minutes.
Okay.
So both will be there. And these things, and lastly, we are doing one overleaf beamer. Have you idea of beamer?
Yes, I use Beamer, but I don't use an overleaf. I use this. Wait, I'll show you. I use TechMaker for LaTeX.
Mhm.
So this is
But
also a LaTeX editor. I just find it somewhat easier to use than.
no, latex is very used, very easy.
No,
Once
I mean,
you,
I find this is also LaTeX. This is also LaTeX. It's just a different editor.
I'm telling you that once you get ideas of basic things, no, then it will become very easy. And overleaf also means easy. What I should say. But advantage of overleaf is that that files it will you need not bother about saving and all those things. It is in cloud overleaf. So it will be auto saved, and anytime, anywhere you can access that.
Okay,
So this
so
is the
I'll use
advantage of
overleaf
that.
also. I'll use overleaf. That's not a problem. I'll just close
And
this.
I have given my overleaf account credential also. You can open with that also.
Okay. So about the poster, so where do I need to make it? Do I need to make it on a specific
We are
platform?
we are thinking of how to go about it, and in latex, there is a beamer and where
Acha, so Beamer will be a presentation, right? It won't be a poster.
in beamer you can post create poster also.
Okay, so I haven't used Beamer to create poster. I've only used presentations.
I think you have to select that slide
Ah,
size.
that won't be a issue. I'll do that. I'll make one poster in Beamer also
But
for number line, number systems.
I am looking for using that. There is a provision for animation.
Okay.
Do you know that?
I can learn. I can learn by say Tuesday or Monday maybe.
Okay. Uh, Animation that will be PDF, but PDF everything will be written. Code will be also there. But if you open those PDF in soft copy, you can animate all those things. This thing, what a slider, everything we are doing. So that also you can do it in that PDF.
Okay.
So if we can do that, then it will advantage will be there. In PDF itself, we can help them to animate.
Okay.
So we will describe our all mathematical concept, and then we can add animation there, and they can animate it, and then they can, as you have learned this modeling today. So that modeling poster itself will, when you open in PDF reader, that PDF itself you can model it and see it.
Okay.
That facilities are there.
Okay.
But if we can do that, and if we can
Like,
make that will
I'll
be good.
I'll
Another thing I want to share with you that today in math, Das Math group, Dr. Anindita Das, she has written something about e-posters. E-posters, how to create e-posters, whether it will be these are, I am trying to explore the possibilities. Once we fix one, then we'll go with that only.
we can also use other things like maybe, but they are more like they won't be as technical. No, that. I'll try other platforms also, and I'll send them to you. If you like them, that can work.
Okay, okay.
Because
So
I have some friends in who do designing work, and also they make like posters for other people, so I can consult them also.
okay. And sometime small token amount if we require to pay someone, because whenever I face problem, I engage a freelancer. I told you, I think.
Yes.
Freelancer. So I pay them and I get this work done. Many of the things we may not be knowing, but there are many expert people are there who know those things, and they can help me. And
Okay.
in that way, I develop my I have made one another bridge application. Have you idea about that?
Uh,
Bridge application?
no, Bridge, the game Bridge.
Yes, you know game bridge.
Yes, I know the game of Bridge, but I don't know about the
Have you
application.
have you ever played?
No, I just know about it. I
But you
haven't
know
played
that
this.
it is a very good profession, even more satisfying and paying than engineers.
No, I didn't know that.
If you get selected in now, I think your age. What is your age?
Like I'm 19.
19. No, you have 7 years opportunity. Under 26 means junior team. If you get selected, you get same benefits what the Saurabh Ganguly and Rahul Dravid gets representing India. So you can
Okay.
represent India. Bridge is also a recognized game. Okay, this people this time those own the Asian Games. No, all my friends and bridge players, they got 55 lakhs from government of India for winning each player, not all total winning gold for India in Bridge. So Bridge is so powerful game, and it is not gambling, and it is a card game, and we have developed a application for that. And actually, I have floated this internship for two of my project. One is mathematics project and one is bridge project. I got good response in bridge project. I fixed one student, but have you seen that offer or not?
No, I haven't seen the offer of the bridge. I only knew about this one.
Okay. How good are you in coding and animation? Which you
Like
no not
I don't have experience with animation, and in
no
coding,
no not animation. No, I missed. I'm asking coding and app development.
I can do website development. I don't know app development, so I
Okay.
don't think I'll be able to do app development.
Okay. But you are CSE though, so you should.
No, CSE isn't about app development. Like it's a misconception that CSE is about app development, web development. It's more about the theoretical algorithms and stuff.
So after that, I sometimes wonder this after
And then
last.
most people go into web development and development, but that's not technically related to CSE. CSE is more about the math and algorithms that computers use. It's not about the apps.
Okay. Okay.
Like that would be like saying that civil engineering is like architecture. Like, they're different things. They're related. Okay, they're related, but they're not exactly the same.
Okay. Okay. Good. So whenever I take this app interns, no
Mm.
interns for app, I get more output from mechanical engineer, civil engineers, and now one textile engineer I have engaged than the CS.
That's fine. That's because the CSE curriculum is really very hectic. Like I also like I need to like study for around 10-12 hours per day to just keep up with the
Okay, okay.
syllabus. And
Yeah,
that's why
definitely.
it's very hard to like do work near tests and other exams, right?
No issue. So we'll concentrate on mathematics, and once we fix this basic subject, basic means first we should have these numbers ready, then geometry one slide, then one slide algebra, and I have a good presentation. Can you have a look on that presentation?
Yes, sir. Can you send it?
Yes, I'll share it with you, and that is a good because everything I have done it in section wise. Section means for all sub topics I have a section,
Okay.
and that is actually I try to do for different subjects. So ready-made something you may get there, and my thought also you can understand from there. I'll share that with you. Okay.
Okay, sir. So for now, like just concluding,
Hmm.
for now, I'll learn about this MATLAB. I'll learn about modeling and animations, and I'll also make that number systems post.
Very good. Thank you.
Right. Right. Yes. I think we should do this, dear, because we discuss so many ideas because we are all doing new things. Like at the end of each meeting, we should just conclude the next task that we are all going to do.
It will be more
It will be
fine.
efficient. It will be efficient, I think.
No, that document that day you explained that
Right.
relativity.
Right.
You can write down today's a brief summary,
Nice.
and
Nice. We can do that. We can do that.
uh,
We should do
well,
that from next. We should do that from the next time.
yes, yes. So that document can be a diary sort of thing.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay, then good. So
So,
we'll
is there
close
anything
now.
else for now?
No, because I actually from what is the problem with me? No, I am working with three projects. One is oil field development, one is a bridge app, and then this mathematics.
Yes.
And I have a very big mathematics lab, physical lab,
Yes.
lab in mathematics. There I have put a lot of what I should say models, and these models I have purchased from market and I have put there. And I realized that models, it is available, but this model is not sufficient for learning advanced concepts. Even so simple question, if I ask that why we learn algebra and how much algebra we should learn, what are the topics of algebra, many students or many faculties also will fail to answer that. So we have to make a summary sort of thing of everything, that yes, algebra, this is the topics I should learn, and then I may be good in algebra. Like that, we have to start all these things. And
Right.
once we start, then it will be, I think, speed will slowly increase and we can do lot of things on that. So, should we break now?
I think so.
Okay. And these videos I am posting in YouTube, you can see it later. And these videos, actually, I have sent this Mandar video, no,
Yes,
to
yes.
MIT professor, who is the now, I should say, the living mathematicians, oldest mathematicians
Can I
world
know the
now.
name? Like I probably.
Gilbert is trying.
Okay. For linear algebra professor.
I have sent it. We are in touch because I have seen some mistakes in his book. I wrote about that, and he is very good in responding, replying all those things. I have shared my idea. Once I expressed that I am going to US, I want to meet you. He has given his address where we can meet, like that. So, but yesterday I have sent him that Mandar's video. I am telling them that this new way of teaching mathematics can be very effective, and in early age we can teach many things. What we feel that it is not being taught in that early age. So that video I have sent, and I have given that this is the my technique I am trying to. He knows about this what I am doing. So let us see. He is forwarding to some people of his circle, and that video is circulating. And let us see if something positive comes.
Yes.
So okay, bye for now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for all the work that you've done, and like it's really
Together
interesting to
we'll do
see.
a lot of things.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for now, and good night.
Good night. Good night. You are your it is your screen, no?
Right. I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So bye. Good night. Huh?